Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon are all platforms where creators can earn support from their fans, but each has its style and strengths. Ko-Fi is super flexible. It lets you accept one-time donation, set up monthly memberships, and even sell digital products or commissions. You can use most features for free, and Ko-Fi doesn't take a cut of donation on its free plan. If you upgrade to Ko-Fi Gold, you unlock more tools like extra membership features and custom branding. It's great for creators who want a mix of options and full control. Buy Me a Coffee is very similar to Ko-Fi but focused more on simplicity. Fans can give you one-time tips or become monthly members. It's very user-friendly and looks clean. However, it doesn't offer as many features for selling products or commissions as Ko-Fi does. It also takes a 5% fee on all earnings. It's a good pick if you want something easy without worrying about upgrades. Patreon is more structured and focused on membership. Fans subscribe monthly in exchange for exclusive content. It's great if you're consistently creating things like videos, podcasts, or art and want to build a stable income. However, Patreon takes a higher fee, up to 12% depending on your plan, and doesn't offer one-time donation. In my opinion, if you want flexibility and lower fees, go with Ko-Fi. If you prefer something simple and clean, Buy Me a Coffee is a solid. But if your goal is to build a full membership based on income with regular content, Patreon is the stronger option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.